Hey y'all, welcome to Nicola Designs. I won this little shell mold from Glitz and Glitter by Michelle. Graciously, they sent me this shell mold. I've been trying to figure out what to do with it. I have 2 ounces. I don't know how much it holds. Actually, I'm seeing if it says it on here. I don't see anywhere that it says how much it is. I saw some numbers, but it looks like it's the code, like the SKU. I don't see where it's amount. Anyway, I have 2 ounces leftover resin from some things, and I think it might fit in this, especially since I'm going to add these shells that I got from Hobby Lobby. So, don't know how many I need. I'm just going to pour a bunch in here. I have a feeling I'm going to be pouring shell molds into a bunch of stuff. We're going to find out exactly how many ounces it takes, and hopefully I can fit them all in here. I want everything covered. So I'm just going to pour a bunch in here. And stir it up. So they all get coated. You don't want any bubbles. I'm also going to spray some alcohol in this mold. So that should be good. I might have a little bit of a some leftover clear only. So I'm going to try to be careful and put as many shells as I can in it. Good gravy, this is not going to take much at all, is it? I'm going to need to find something else to put this in. I don't know if it'll go in a character. I have a character. I'm trying to think of what I have. So I'm going to pick this up. I don't know the nooks and crannies on this. I'm going to squeeze to make sure I get any bubbles out. Hopefully we don't have too many bubbles. Because it's leftover, sometimes that means it's thicker. And I'm trying to scoop just the shells, not pouring it in because I don't want clear resin is what I'm trying to avoid. Is that all I'm going to be able to get? I think so. I've never poured it, so I don't know what this looks like and where I should be concentrating on. Put a couple more shells here just to make sure it's all the way to the top. I want it flat though. I don't like non-flat bottoms because then I have to sand them. Okay, so that, seeing if everything's under the resin. Okay, everything is under the resin. I have some alcohol right there from the spillover from it being thin where the alcohol is. I think I put too much resin, but I want it to be flat. So I'm gonna leave it there. All right, I'll see you guys on demold. I will find something to put this in. Hey guys, we are back. You can see what I did with my leftover resin that I had all these shells in. I didn't want to just throw it away or find a mold that didn't make sense. Hearts make sense for little magnets on the back for people that love the beach. Some of these have some shell sticking out, so I'm going to take my little sander, my Resin sander, the little tool, and it's like a Dremel, and sand some of this stuff down. The backs are very crazy looking, so I'll probably have to sand. I might fill them in with some UV resin. I'm not sure yet. Just to get them more flat, because there's an edge. I might be able to build it up a little bit, but see, like that, I'm gonna have to sand down. So anyway, I think those came out cute. And then let's see the shell mold, how this came out. I didn't know what to do with coloring on this, so I think the shell was perfect for a first go at it to see how it is. Well, isn't that cute? Hold on. Aw, like you can put a little ring in it. So cute. It's a matte mold, but very, very cute. So I think it came out cool. I think shells in it is perfect. And like I said, it can be a little ring holder for people that love the beach. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll have it out in the sun shortly.